Good morning students. Today we will learn about our topic, our environment. So starting with the chapter, I will first of all like to explain you what is the meaning of environment. Now what is environment? Everything things that we see around us in our daily life or in our daily routine makes an environment. This was the basic meaning of environment. But what is the actual meaning of environment? Environment means the surrounding or the living condition of all forms of life on earth. Everything that we see around us. Surrounding means whatever we see around us is called as surrounding. So everything that we see around us is called as environment, or the living condition of all forms of life, or everything that is surviving on earth makes an environment. Either it could be human being, either it could be plants, either it could be humans, either it could be animals. These are the factors that makes an environment. Now we will see the types of environment. Environment basically is of two types. First is natural environment and second is human environment. Environment is divided into two parts, that is natural environment and human environment. Now what is natural environment? The word itself tells you natural means naturally or by nature. The environment that is being created by nature naturally is called as natural environment. Then what is human environment? That is being created by human. जो इंसानों ने बनाया है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Human environment. Now further, natural environment is divided into two parts, that is biotic and abiotic. I know students, these two terms are basically new for you. I will explain these two terms later on as we move towards the chapter. But first of all, just listen and look at the chart. Environment is divided into natural and human environment. Now, natural environment is further divided into two parts, that is biotic factor and abiotic factor. These two factors consist and makes together the natural environment. Basically, natural environment consists of biotic factor and abiotic factor. Now, biotic factor is further divided into biosphere. This biosphere is also a new term which I will basically make you understand further as we move towards the chapter. But just look at the chart right now. Biotic is further divided into biosphere. And abiotic consists of three parts, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Now, we will move forward. First, we will see what is natural environment. Basically, natural environment consists of two parts. नेचर में दो चीजें आती है. नेचुरल कंसिस्ट ऑफ लिविंग कंपोनेंट ऑल्सो एंड नॉन लिविंग कंपोनेंट ऑल्सो. व्हाट आर लिविंग कंपोनेंट्स? दैट आर alive, that are surviving on this earth, and non living that cannot survive but yet exist in our environment. These two factors together makes a natural environment. I will give you an example what is living and non-living things. But moving forward, I will explain you what is biotic factor and abiotic factor. But first of all, see what is natural environment. Natural environment comprises of living and non-living things that occur naturally on earth. The things that occur naturally on earth makes an environment. Either it could be living organism or non-living organism, like we, human beings, are the living organism. We create or we make the natural surrounding. Okay, then what are the non-living things? I will explain you. Okay, now see, natural environment I told you is further divided into biotic factor and abiotic factor. I will explain you what is biotic factor now. Biotic factor consists of all living things. Biotic means living. Bio means living. All the living things makes together an biotic environment or biotic factors. Living things like plants, animals and human beings, all together this forms of biosphere. जितने भी जिंदा लोग हैं, जितने लोग सांस ले रहे हैं, all the living things, this all together forms the biosphere. I have told you biotic factor consists of biosphere. So this all three factors like human beings, animals and plants all together makes our biosphere and are consist in our biotic environment. Now what is abiotic environment? Bio means living, so abio means non-living. Abiotic consists of non-living things that are not surviving on earth but yet makes a part of our environment. जो सांस नहीं ले रहे लेकिन जो एनवायरमेंट में है, जो अर्थ पे है, एंड दे आर मेकिंग द पार्ट ऑफ अवर एनवायरमेंट, आर कॉल्ड एज एबायोटिक फैक्टर्स एंड इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स लाइक एयर, लाइक लैंड, water and air. Yes, you know the land, we are standing on our land, that is also a natural environment. We have not made it. It has occurred naturally. Water, is it created by human beings? No. Is it created by plants? No. Is it created by animals? No. It has been created naturally. So it is included in natural part. But do it survive? Does it breathe? Does it eat something? No. So it will be included in non-living things. There are three things that make our natural environment in abiotic factor, that is land, water and air. Now further I have told you abiotic consists of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So what are these three? Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Basically land is known as lithosphere. The part of water is known as hydrosphere and the air is known as atmosphere. The air around us is called as atmosphere, the land around us makes lithosphere and the water around us is called as hydrosphere. So this was the natural environment. In my further video I will explain you what is human environment. But I hope you have understood what is environment, what are the types of environment, what is natural environment and what is abiotic and biotic environment. Thank you students.